The woman in the Christmas hat received a Christmas gift from her boyfriend for Christmas. The woman on the right received an award for her work in the business. The young woman received a parcel from the courier. The young man opened an envelope and received a Christmas card from his friend. The young woman received a facial treatment from the beauty therapist. The bride received a gift from her best friend. The young woman received a face massage from the beauty therapist. The woman was really excited. She received a present from her friend. The young woman received the car keys from the car salesman. The man received bad news on the telephone. The asthmatic woman suffered an asthma attack. She received her inhaler from her friend. The corrupt politician received bribe money from the corrupt businessman. The woman received therapy for her mental health problems from the psychologist. The businesswoman received a file from her coworker while she was sitting at the desk. The homeless teenagers received food from the volunteer worker. The patient received his medicine and a glass of water from the nurse. The courier delivered the shopping to the woman during the coronavirus pandemic. The woman received her online shopping from the courier. The man on the ground got hit by a car. He received first aid treatment from the man on the right. The man at the front door received his takeaway meal from the delivery man. The hotel guest received a key card from the receptionist. The graduate received her diploma from the dean. The man on the phone received an order from a customer. The business people received good news from the investors. The happy couple received the house keys to their new house from the estate agent. The teenager received bad news over the phone. Her boyfriend broke up with her. The patients received renal dialysis when they were in the hospital. The man received an email message. The man received a foot massage. The scared woman received threatening messages on the phone. The woman received the keys to her new house. The young athlete won a school sports competition and received a golden cup. The boy received a Christmas present from his father. The student received the bad news from her teacher. She failed her exam. The woman received a text message from her friend. The woman received acupuncture treatment from a therapist. The driver of the car received a traffic fine from the traffic cop. He paid the fine by credit card. The patient received a massage from the massage therapist. The woman received a bunch of flowers from the delivery man. The girl received an ice cream cone from the waiter. The teenager received a pizza from the pizza delivery man. The two businessmen sealed the deal with a handshake. The man on the right received a bribe. The electrician received an electric shock while he was working. The businessman received a shiatsu massage while he was sitting on the massage chair. The man received bad news from his boss while he was sitting at his desk. His boss fired him. The student received good news from her teacher. She passed her exam. She was really excited. The American football player received the football. The woman received a manicure in the nail salon. The man received an injection for his hair loss problem. The man received an injection from the doctor. The boy received an injection from the doctor. The boy received a vaccine from the doctor.